Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can see what servers people are in on Discord. You can only see it though if you're also in that server. So basically, you can only see the servers you guys are both in. So to do that, you're just going to open up their profile here. Then there's going to be a 5 mutual servers section. You're going to select that and you'll be able to see all of the mutual servers you guys are in. And that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.